Hi guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the Apple Pencil 2nd gen, the brand new Magic Keyboard in the white color for the 11-inch iPad Pro, and the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch 512 gigabytes, and also in silver, so it kind of matches with the white keyboard. No extra tip, it's just a pencil with nothing for 120 bucks or 150 bucks, depends on where you are. And yeah, nice, a little nice line here, it's quite nice. Cycle. Ooh, this is the first time. Ooh, this is the first time I see the white color. Nice. Okay, this is really nice. Inside it's gray with the white around it. It's super cool. Even the keyboard is white. See, this is why you should get it in the silver color, because it matches this stuff. Now for the iPad. Please guys, subscribe. 97 of you guys don't subscribe. Only 2% of you guys are subscribed. I hope the number goes up to 50%, 50-50. And if there's anything you don't like about this video, please just put in the comments below so I can improve my videos. Thank you. Oh, you just open. Oh, nice. That's nice. Also rocking an A12Z Bionic chip, so it's much worse than M1 on the 2021 chargers. There's a port here. It's only for charging, slow charging, and on the other side you have nothing. But you have this, so it's really nice. You have on one side charging if your cable is like shorter, and if the cable is on the other side, you can just use a port here. This one here also can do like transferring stuff. Thunderbolt is only if you have the 2021. It's much better than on the MacBook Pro. If you only have the cheapest option with 2 Thunderbolts, it's all on one side. So if you have a cable on the other side, it's quite annoying. But you have a 2-meter cable with the box, so it's alright. The white on the keyboard is a little more grayish than the white on the Apple Pencil. And it's a little problem with the Apple Pencil. Covers like the buttons. And also the keyboard is shrinked, as you can see here. All these keys here and all these keys are shrinked. As you can see the size, but you can fit the whole thing here inside. No one keyboard. You don't have the escape keys and the whole row on the top, but the whole row here, we have like spinning check and stuff like that. You have the same thing on the software here. It's quite nice and really useful, and it's like the Mac Pro. Apple says lots of things about this iPad being super thin, but it doesn't really matter because the keyboard is thicker than the iPad itself. So if you match it against the MacBook Pro, it's actually slightly higher. It's like a millimeter higher, even though they say it's so much thinner. That's because of the keyboard, as I said. So it's much more comfortable also with the keyboard when you're typing, because it's all iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard is also much more comfortable to type, because your hand kind of rests on the table and it's much thinner down there. Whereas on the MacBook Pro, it's really thick and it's not very comfortable because your arm kind of like swings. But like if you have the MacBook Air, it kind of slides down, so it's a little better. But the iPad Pro is way better. Problem is, and it's But yeah,
And also
the
trackpad, it's
not the
really
best.
really small. This
It's
trackpad.
really.
You can do this. You can't
it's
really
much
basically
smaller
you
than
can't do the
this.
basic
Okay, it's a
gestures,
little bigger than
but
average,
but you
it's
can do
much,
some stuff.
much smaller.
It's thick enough for 4 fingers,
here.
but like not for more.
But if you have a mouse,
Whereas MacBook Pro has like a massive
it's color matching, so it's
touchpad,
quite nice too.
much bigger than an average
You see
computer.
the white matches.
So, and also if you if you have a mouse, it's
silver.
kind of solves the problem. And also it matches if you have the white color mouse with the
Yeah,
silver
but
from the
that
iPad
solves the
and the
problem
white
if
of
that's
the
a mouse issue.
top.
But the
the
trackpad
white
is
keyboard.
usable, but it's just so small.
Kind of matches, so
It's
you don't have to go
space
for
here
the
if you want your 4
trackpad all
fingers.
the time.
Less commands, but there's also some commands here. So yeah.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to just click the subscribe button and like the video, and just put your comments if you think there's anything I should have done better. Thank you.